What's up, you guys? Welcome to trading session number 23. We are looking at the S&P 500 right now. We are, down on the day. We're starting the year off down. The market is pulling back. As you can see right here, we do have the S&P 500 finally trading below that 50-day moving average there. So we will see if it tends to correct down towards that 200-day moving average. So we did look healthy, the last, since, November, we really had a pop-up, riding the 50-day moving average all the way up. But now we are trading below that to start 2024, guys. Let's look at the 1 day 1 minute chart. So here is the 1 day 1 minute chart. You see really in pre-market, diving down and really choppy, trying to make a run up here, but then getting pulled back down towards the 200-day moving average. So that is a SPY S&P 500. Let's go now to some news. So here is CNBC live updates. We have S&P 500 falls to start 2024 as rates tick higher, guys. Apple also slides today after a change in their rating. So you see here S&P 500 fell Tuesday, first trading day of the year. It's because interest rates rebounded slightly. And investors took some money off the table. As we're seeing all-time highs, guys, a lot of people want to cash in and lock in some profits and trim. We do the same thing. So broad market index lost 0.4%. Nasdaq pulled back 1.3%. Dow added 69 points or 2%. And Apple shares led pullback. It was downgraded by Barclays. And if we can see here, let's go back here. You can see that Apple is down almost around 3.55, almost 4% now. So that is the news on Apple, really pulling back in the 180s now, and because of that downgrade. And this comes after a great year for technology in 2023. Apple soaring 48%, Microsoft soaring 57%, and Nvidia skyrocketing to 39%. So I do want to show you right here. So 4 hours ago, Tesla tops fourth quarter delivery estimates, helping it hit its 2023 target. You can see there, Tesla totaling 484,507 cars, guys, which was higher than the 477,000 estimate compiled by Street Account. And that brought its tally for the year 1,800,000. So that is great news for Tesla. We could also see down here, though, that Tesla said it expected to deliver at least 1.8 vehicles in 2023, which was lower than 2 million deliveries it had previously anticipated. We'll see how Tesla reacts to that news. So let's dive into the portfolio now. A little update on our Palantir covered call that expired last Friday. We did not get assigned. The stock is actually trading now at 1672. Our average price is 1770. We are going to be doing another covered call, but we're going to be doing one probably 10 days out. We'll get into that here soon after we purchase our $10 stock here. So I have no idea what we're going to buy here, but we're going to check it out. We look for 6-month chart, 4-hour chart, and we look RSI and oversold value. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the market has to offer right here. We have Square and Shopify trading RSI in the low 20s, which is signaling a deal. Look at Uber coming down to 19. That's pretty crazy. Let's go to Netflix down 20. We got a lot of deals in the market right now, guys. And look at Apple, guys. Look at Apple. look at that. So we have Apple really pulling back after that news of, you know, Barclays changing their rating, and it's down almost 4%. So we might lock in some Apple today just because of that news. But we will see. There is a lot of deals in the market right now, guys. And you know, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna buy some Apple after that news today. So let's go ahead and lock in $10 worth of Apple. We're on Apple here. We're gonna go market. We're not gonna do any day trading, so we're gonna take off, stop loss, take profit. Go ahead and buy Apple, $10 fractional shares, and then order quantity 0.05386. Let's go ahead and lock that in. All right, we bought Apple at 185.66. So that is the Apple buy. Now we're gonna go to Palantir. And we're going to do a cover call. I was looking at expirations. We don't want to do 3 days out because we have to do an 18 strike to, you know, we have to do a strike above our average cost, which is 1770. We can't do 1750 or 17 because we would lose money if those shares get assigned. So we have to do at least 18 or above strike price, and we're going to look at 18, but it's only $4 that we will get for this premium. So that's not enough for us to really, you know, put our shares, you know, up to get assigned for. Only $4 doesn't make sense. So we're gonna go over here, and the $17 10 days out is looking pretty good for us on the 18 strike price for the January 12th expiration. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Just try to get $17 a premium, and you really got to be careful here. You got to go only one. We only have enough for one contract. Estimated premium 1770. Let's go ahead. We're going to do single option Palantir strike 18. Let's go ahead and place this. So here we go. We're going to sell a couple calls, 17 premium. We're going to go ahead and lock that in, guys. Palantir strike price $18, January 12th expiration 2024. Let's go ahead and lock that in. All right, guys, so we got that at 17 cents. Multiply it by 100. That is $17 we just got in our pockets, and that is the January 12th expiration. So you can see over here we are in with the Palantir cover call now for January 12th expiration. So we'll keep you updated on that. We just slid $17 in our pockets. We have account value, cash balance now of $14.82. That is after the $17 premium we just got. So guys, that is pretty much the market's not really ripping right now for us to trim, so we are gonna pass on trimming for today to start the new year off. I wish you guys had a awesome New Year's. We hope you really have some finance goals ahead for 2024. We sure have some that we want to accomplish this year. We do want to start growing this club. So if you guys are not part of the Discord, please go ahead and go over there. We're not going to be charging yet for the club, but if you go to mogulfellows.com, go to membership. It is free to join. The invite is right there. So feel free to get in while you can before we start charging. Anyway, guys, that is trading session number 23. We hope you guys a healthy and successful new year. Till next time, hit the outro.